morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? Good morning, good morning. We'll get the chat going. What's up, M5? What's up, Gabriel? What's up, Perp? The man, the myth, the legend. What up? Nice job, M5. Lock it in, man. Nice. What's up, Jones? Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah, we got the Modern Warfare 2. No, we got it was the Black Ops 2. Black Ops multiplayer menu music, Call of Duty. Dude, it sounds pretty sick. We're getting in the zone. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, guys, freaking silver last week. I think it dropped 30% on Friday. Freaking crazy. Oh man. But yeah, guys, we had last week was full of breakouts and a lot of reversals, but our accounts we're only down like 480 on the week or something, so not bad, guys. We still have $1,200 left in these accounts, and yeah, they're still alive, guys. We had these accounts for quite a while, since the beginning of the year, which is pretty nice. So just trying to stay alive and keep the accounts surviving and going, and that's the name of the game. So yeah, last week, yeah, we was pretty a lot of fake outs and reversals, but I think we managed our risk okay. Could have maybe played it better on like Thursday and then locked it in on Wednesday when I was up $200. But can't be perfect. You just gotta live and learn and move on from it. Hey, good morning, El Paso. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I think a lot of people had issues with that. Yeah, it was pretty volatile. Like people couldn't. I think people couldn't exit positions and stuff. It was like pretty bad. Oh man. But guys, we had news every single day this week, so that's pretty good. I like that. So usually on like no news days, we've been seeing like some chop and consolidation, but we had a massive rip up, like 400 points to the upside right here, and just ripping, and then now it's forming a top range. So if we've seen this like in the last few weeks, we've seen like where it makes a big move in a direction, and particularly like in the long side, and then it just make a consolidation top range in the afternoon session. So hopefully we can maybe break out of this range, which it looks like we're trying to do, or if we do play the range, stay in the range, we can maybe play off that. So we'll see. But yeah, guys, like this live streaming, pretty nice. And yeah, we're gonna keep it rolling. I want to see if it either bounces off this top area and then makes a new high, or just falls back in the range. But SPY ES is pretty ripped up pretty hard too this morning. I'll look at Nvidia. Damn, Brandy. Sorry to hear that, man. What prop firm was it? Yeah, M5, that's your first day on your funded account. Yeah, that's pretty good. Great job, man. That's a great first day. Yeah, honestly, like, lock it in, M5. Just lock it in. Alright, we got a new 5-minute right here. See if it wants to make a new high of the day or wants to reject and come back down. Yeah, Dave, I've been there, man. Yeah, there's times where I'm like trying to force to 50%, where I try to like on a 50K, I'm trying to make like 1,500. So it's like Then I ended up losing it. Same thing. Lucid was probably too volatile or something, huh? Brandy. But you shouldn't have lost that account, maybe. Unless it's in the rules. Dave, what prop firm are you working on, man? Nice, Dave. Yeah, those flex accounts are pretty nice. Golf boy. Yeah, golf boy, we had a massive rip, so that's good that you're on a long. But then, yeah, we just been consolidating since, for the last hour or two. Dude, sometimes it's, like, stressful just being in a trade. Yeah, M5, yeah, that's good that you're switching micros, especially what, that's a 50K account? Yeah, I'd definitely switch to that. That's good that you did that. Yeah, just take it slow, and especially since we've been seeing volatility, yeah, definitely micros. Because with a 2K drawdown and trailing, you could blow that with easily in 1-2 minis. Like, pretty quick. So, yeah, that's smart you went to micros, M5. Alright, Dave, peace out, man. Thank you for tuning in. Let's go, Gabriel. Yeah. Yeah, Gabriel, we gotta get it, man. We gotta get it. Guys, on frickin' Friday, tons of fake outs and reversals, but we still managed to be up $222. I'll take it. Yeah, dude, I was watching this like go up. I was like, damn, I kind of want a long, but I was like, nah, I can't FOMO in. And then it just kind of just rejected back down here. But every trade I gotta take on these accounts on the stream. Gotta be disciplined. God boy, yeah. I know. We've been averaging like 110 viewers the last few weeks, which is pretty good. I know it's on Friday and like Thursday or something. It kind of slowed down a little. But yeah, no, we're trying to get good viewers, yeah. Where's the support? Hey, make sure to like and subscribe. But I notice I usually get my peak viewers usually after like 50 minutes, an hour. After the stream starts. When I first started, it usually starts, yeah, a little slow. Alright, gonna do 5 minutes and 50 seconds. I want to see where it wants to close. I was thinking maybe it might bounce right here, but just gotta be a little cautious. Alright, I got 5 seconds.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a long right here, try to push up to the high of the day, maybe make a new high. Put her stop right here. We're just trying to find micros, y'all. Yeah, basically just want to see it bounce off this top range right here, this top level, and probably tap the high of the day, and that's a nice 20 points. And hopefully if it breaks and then continuation up, that's the ideal plan, but we'll see. Yeah, Gabriel. Yeah, there's days where I'm like, I know I shouldn't be trading, and I got like a couple hours of sleep. I'm like, I just drink the coffee, and I'm just like staring at the screen, like, shit. I gotta trade, gotta get that order filled. What's up, Anas? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Market definitely has slowed down the past 2 hours, but these were pretty big candles. Like, I mean, yeah, this little candle right here is 40 points. So we had a massive rip up, but now it's kind of just slowing down a bit. It's that lunchtime chop. Lunchtime. Time for lunch. We gotta eat. Gotta eat. Depending on where you are, it's in the morning over here. Hey, what up, Lefty? Yeah, we're being consistent with the live streams Monday through Friday. Coming down here, I do not like that. I'd rather just see it bounce right away and just go up. But we'll see. Yeah, Monday through Friday, y'all. 9 a.m. PST. Well, this time, the 9 a.m., it kind of works out for me because, like, market open, I'm, like, literally just waking up. And I'm, like, foggy eyes, just waking up. And then by this time, I'm already awake. Got coffee, water, maybe a little food in me. So I feel a little more better. Great job, Jasmine. Jasmine, lock it in. Literally close that X on the top right corner. Get out of there. Lock it in. 600 bucks on the day. That's a great day. Honestly, that's a great day. Lock it in. Yeah, and 5, you're on the East Coast. Yeah, so it's like noon there. Yeah, you guys are 3 hours ahead. Yeah, it's lunchtime over there. We're just kind of hesitating in this, like, top area right here. We'd just like to see a nice little push right here. Very nice. Very good. We should see momentum, like, kick in. That's what I would like to see. But it's just kind of playing ping pong right here. Go, go. Got into 5 minutes and 45 seconds. It's moving pretty slow, honestly. Like, really slow. Alright, we got into 5 minutes and 15 seconds now. Yeah, M5. Yeah, this 26,000 area. Remember, guys, we've been, like, fighting around this area, like, so much. Alright, we got a nice push right there. Very nice. We're gonna lower our stop. Alright, new 5 minute right here. I do not want to see a reject and just come right back down. That's what I don't want to see, because it just can come back right to our entry.
Order filled.
Because there's so much hesitation, I'm just gonna trim one off right there, and because it could just come back off. So that's why I'm trimming one right there. But that was a decent close and nice gap up right there. Yeah, this is what I don't want to see, it just come back to our entry. So good thing we trimmed one. Maybe a full exit, honestly. It's just moving too slow. There's no momentum.
Order filled.
Like, what, 6.5 points, 7 points. Tiny win. I took a bounce play, like, long right here. Continuation up, but there's just too much chop right here, and just slowing down a lot of fight. And it wicked down below my entry. Didn't really like that. We got a nice push up, like, at our peak we're only up 12 points. Nothing crazy. And, yeah, it's just coming back and forth up here, so just lucking a tiny win. Honestly. Oh, yeah. Hey, internet. What's up, brother? Yeah, and that's what I'm worried about, that it's coming back in the range. Well, good thing we got out that trade, guys. I mean, it come down. You guys see that wick? Well, good thing we got out that trade. Yeah, got out a small win. I was looking for a breakout to the upside and break the new highs, at least tap the highs, but I didn't even tap the highs, and it's just kind of like lowering down right here. Cat's going crazy. But yeah, it's just too much hesitation right here. Yeah, we got to play this range dependently. Like right now, I see it consolidate on this top area. I don't really like that. If I want to play a range, I want to see it like come back down to this bottom range area, and then like play the whole range, right? I don't want to be catching be in this like slow choppy range of this upper part. I don't want to get caught in that because it's not really worth it, honestly. What's up, Bob? Trader Bob. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, internet, we had a massive rip up. I mean, yeah, we had a massive rip. Huge. But guys, it's like 800 points from the Asia. Sheesh. Then we had like a 300, 400 New York market open. Damn, this is right at market open. Czar Trader, yeah, we've been seeing some good moves lately. But freaking, right now we're consolidating. It's to be expected. But yeah, we had a big move up over like 400 points. Doing good, Bob. Doing good. Thanks for tuning in, brother. How you guys doing? Yeah. And we always have those thoughts though at like the middle of the night and stuff. We're like, oh, should we do it? Should we not? But I think in the long run, I think you played it okay. Internet. I mean, who would have known? You never know, honestly. Yeah, imagine you took like a long right here, right? Stop loss right here. Oh man. That's crazy, Brian. They should, honestly, Brian, I wouldn't really force it still, honestly. I don't know why they're taking so long, honestly. I know TakeProfitTrader support is pretty slow, honestly, if I'm being honest. They're pretty slow. But if they said they're going to fix it and they're going to, they should be fixing it soon. I don't know why it's taking them so long. Yeah, Trader Bob, hey. Payout is a payout, man. Even if it's like $100, $200, like, I mean, that's a payout. Lock it in. It feels good, man. So great job, Bob. Great job. All right, I got a new 5 minute and 2 seconds. Yeah, TakeProfitTrader support. Yeah, it's pretty slow. Honestly, it's pretty bad. But the payouts, They get approved pretty quick, which is nice. But their customer support is pretty bad. What's up, Boom? What's up, man? How you guys doing? Thanks for tuning in, like always. Appreciate y'all. And yeah, we're making this consistent. I think this is our 4th week live streaming, or 5th. I don't know. Let me see. 1. I think this is our 4th or 5th. 4th or 5th. But I like this schedule. Yeah, I like this schedule. It's nice. Alright. I want to see a breakout of this range because this one is just like a slow, choppy one right here. Just formed with this upper level. And it's not that much. It's only like 20 points around that. It's kind of just playing ping pong up here, like coming down, coming up, coming down, coming up. But if we were to play a range, I would like a bigger, cleaner range. Like if it was coming back down here and then coming back up. And that would be a nice, I mean, that's a nice 100-point range. I mean, yeah, I'd take that. But since it's doing this slow mumbo jumbo, I don't know if it's going to reject and come back down or it's going to make a new high for the day. And we're near that 26,000 level area, so yeah, we'll see. Price is coming back down right here. This is what I'm worried about. Yeah, Brian, we'll see. So hopefully they transfer you to the customer support, the managers. So hopefully they fix it, Brian, because like yeah, if they fix it, I mean you already passed, right? So yeah, you're gonna pass. So yeah, just maybe be a little more patient with it on that. The worst thing to do is like trade it and then blow the account, and then it's like it sucks, right? User, yeah, generally like after an hour or so. I don't really trade market open anymore. But yeah, user, we trade. We start live streaming at 9 a.m. PST. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Great job, Jacob. Very nice job. Great job, man. Now you got a funded account. Feels good, yeah. Trade 5 days on that. Yeah, Brian, just take it slow. There's no reason to like rush the gun and then trade the funded account right away. Yeah, just take it slow. Whatever works for you. And then, like you said, you got that Tradeify eval going. So, yeah, you could just trade that in the meantime and then try to get that funded. So, that's nice. So, good job on that, Brian. That's why, like, yeah, I like trading, like, other firms. Because, like, if one does bad or another one does good, you can still get a payout, which is nice. Yeah, just coming back up here. But then every time it comes back up, it just rejects. So, I don't know. But yeah, we got freaking news every single day. Every day this week. It's going to be quite exciting. NFP Friday. NFP. Or Wednesday. Great job, Jacob. There you go. Nice. You got TakeProfitTrader and Lucid. Nice. Very good job. Yeah, Jacob, same thing. Just take that good setup, do whatever's working for you, and lock it in. And yeah. Great job, man. Garv, Garv, Garv. Look what the cat dragged in. Look who showed up, Garv. What's up, Garv? Nice, man. $500? Yeah, Garv, lock it in, man. Lock it in. $500 is great. $500 is great. Lock it in. Alright, new 5 minute 9:30 candle right here. I feel like it's just going to come back down here and just like bounce and come right back up, honestly. Well, these slow, choppy ranges, I mean, if you're stacking 20-point plays, they add up. So, Georgina, doing good. How are you? Yeah, we're doing good. We're back on the live streams Monday through Friday. Keeping it rolling. Yes, sir, Gabriel. Yep. Yeah, your arsenal, yeah. You have like a collection of prop firms. Yeah. Like a whole basket like Thanos. It's pretty cool. It's like you got like all the colors from the prop firms. Hey, trading 50 funded accounts. Oh man. Hey, one day. Hey, one day we're gonna be trading like 100 funded accounts. Shit. Yeah. Yeah. We have like the Thanos hands. We got like TakeProfitTrader, MyFundedFutures, Lucid, Tradeify, Top Step. All on this hand. Georgina, yeah. We got our road to 250k video probably tomorrow. Yeah, because I posted a prop firm update today, so yeah, I'll probably post it tomorrow. Road to 250k. Yeah, yeah. We got balance right here. Hands of prop firms. The magical hands. It's like all the power is mine. It's like you have like 50 funded accounts. Okay, now we're kind of we just broke the high of the day right here. That's nice. Like to see that. I would like to see a nice break out of this slow choppy range. So like to see that. Yeah, 100 accounts copy traded. Hey, copy trading 150 funded accounts. That'd be crazy. I mean, one payout, what? Even if you have like $2,000 on each account, damn, that's 300 grand if you got 150 accounts. Is there even that many out there with futures? I know there's 100. There's definitely 100. 150 would be crazy. Yeah. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. Oh yeah, Gary, you could definitely easily hit 50. I mean, 20 Apex, 5 TakeProfitTrader, 5 MyFundedFutures. That's 30. Lucid, Tradeify. That's 40. Top Step, Funded Next. Hey, that's 50 right there. That's 50 funded accounts right there. Yeah, you could definitely hit 100. Yeah, you could definitely hit 100. Mr. Stark. Hey, thank you, Georgina. Thank you, man. Yeah, Luca, if you have 50 funded accounts, I mean, yeah, if you get a $500 payout on each account, which is very doable, I mean, that's 25 grand. I mean, 25 racks. Trading micros, you know? 50 funded accounts, damn. Dude, okay, yeah, if we get a fuck ton of payouts and we got some like money to work with, yeah, we'll get like a lot of accounts. Hey guys, watch it. Mark my word. One day on the stream, hopefully this year maybe. Hey, copy trading 100 funded accounts. This is my leader account. This is my leader account connected to like 100 accounts. Holy crap. Dude, the amount of pressure to trade that would be insane. It's definitely doable. There's top dogs out there that are doing that, which is crazy. Copy trading 100 funded accounts. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Yeah. Now, there's people out there doing it. I mean, there's a few times where I had like 30 accounts at a time. 40? There was times, yeah, I had like 40 funded accounts. 20 Apex and the rest with other firms. Yeah, it's good to diversify, Georgina. Yeah, that's why I like doing this route. Like, you switch from firm to firm, so it's like less risky. That's why I did it in 2024. Internet. Copy my amazing 283 funded accounts in my super private elite mentorship bootcamp. Live Discord. $300 a month. Hey, that $300 a month is paying for his funded accounts. Yeah, Luca. Well, how much would 50 funded accounts cost? Well, it depends if you're using 50Ks and... I mean, the 150Ks are freaking... They're gonna be like double the price. But with 50K accounts... You could definitely get it... You could probably definitely get it under 10 grand. For 50K accounts for 50. TakeProfitTrader, Top Step. That's 1,000 for 10. Yeah, you could get it for like under 10 grand. You can maybe get it for like 5 to 8 grand. 50 funded accounts. I mean, one payout can surpass all of that. Middle, Tradesyncer. Tutorial in the description. T-spells, yeah. Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did with the other accounts when I was copy trading. Yeah, it depends on you, Luca. Like, some people like putting it all in one basket and just like taking like 1 to 2 good trades a day and calling it. But other people like switching to firms. It depends on your personal preference and what works for you. The 150 accounts, yeah, they're more expensive and the drawdown profit ratio, but you could get bigger payouts for them. That's like the only thing, and if you trade like a bigger size. But other than that, I think the 50K accounts are fine. Yeah, I mean, and they're cheaper and they're easier to pass. They're easy to get to the drawdown. I think these were like, what, $102 each. A lot of the 50K accounts are like around $100, 80 to 100. No activation fee. Yeah, if you pass on your first try, I mean, you could get around 5 to 7 grand. Oh yeah, internet. I saw that too. It was like some guys meeting. I forgot who it was. I don't know. He had like a trader meetup or something. But there's like, I don't know if it was a Tradeify event or Apex event. I think it was both. I don't know. Because I know Brett from Tradeify was there, and then Apex booth was there. I don't know. It looked kind of sick, actually. I think it was in Florida, right? Florida? No problem, T-spells. Yeah, 8,000 Bull Jones. Yeah, you can get it under for 10 grand. Kenji, it's all good, man. Hey, you got points for the 50K eval. Just take it slow. Don't force it. Don't rush it. Learn from your mistakes from last week, Kenji. Just remember that. Learn from your mistakes, what you did wrong, what went right, and all that stuff. So, yeah, just keep doing that. Light, they're pretty good. They improve it pretty fast, the payouts at Lucid. Yeah, it depends on you for the 150K account. Some people like him, some people don't like him. You can get bigger payouts, definitely, but they cost more, and then they're definitely more for advanced traders, honestly. If you're like more like a beginner, even intermediate, even pro, I mean, 50K accounts, they're solid. It depends on you guys. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Oh yeah, I saw Terry Crews. Yeah, that was freaking sick. I love Terry Crews. Terry Crews is sick. Very humble. Yeah, Georgina, yeah. Yeah, most prop firms, they have a scaling rule at the beginning with a funded account, but like, yeah, TakeProfitTrader, and I think MyFundedFutures Pro account, you don't have to, which is nice. Yeah, yeah, like the 25K looks pretty good. TakeProfitTrader's 25K is also good. A lot of people like that because it's like a 1-to-1 drawdown ratio, which is pretty nice. What's up, Twain? Good morning, man. Oh, look, I didn't even know you could get order flow data with that. I didn't even know that. Shit. Yeah, Gabriel. Yeah, a lot of people like the 25K accounts. They're kind of slept on. They're pretty good. Yeah, because you need to make what, like $1,500 to pass? Not bad. I think it's like a 1-to-1. Well, I know with TakeProfitTrader it is. I don't know about the other firms. Bassy, I don't really trade CFD prop firms, so I can't really say from experience. I don't trade Forex. I just trade futures, so I can't really have a say on it, honestly. I don't know if FTMO is still around. I don't know anything about FTMO really, but I know that's a big one. So maybe look into that. Like I said, I'm not sure. I can't really give advice on that. Oh, 1250? That's a good deal then. 1250 on the 25Ks. Or I kind of down here. I want to see if it wants to bounce right here, and then maybe look for a bounce play. Maybe. I want to see how it reacts. Yeah, it was like a big trader event. It looked pretty sick. A lot of people were there. Yeah, a lot of people were there. Patrick Whelan was there. Patrick. Jay Dunn. Jay Dunn. It's a bunch of other dudes. Like popular traders. Yeah, basically, maybe do like more research, watch YouTube videos, because, yeah, like I said, I don't know much about Forex, honestly. Rex, 5 micros per account, 5 accounts, copy trading. 5 micros per account. I know, internet, it looked pretty sick. I didn't even know about that event until people started posting about it. Nice job, Ryder. Hey, it's okay. $300, that's a very small loss. Very small, very manageable, good risk management. Lock it in. You could get a nice payout this week, Ryder. Just take it slow, discipline. We got news every day, so we're going to see some nice movement. There. Can't move the damn camera. And yeah, good job, Ryder. See, what a lot of people do is they like freak out when they lose, and they're like, "Oh no, I need a winning day," and then they break all their rules and go crazy, and then they end up blowing the account. Yeah, internet, let's go. Yeah, we gotta get invited. Yeah, that'll be freaking sick, dude. That'd be pretty sick. Yeah, make a vlog about it. Yeah, that'd be sick, internet. Meet everyone. Dude, that's sick. Yeah, they were doing like golfing and going to the Heat game. They look pretty sick, honestly. It was a cool event looking. Roar, overall trend is still up, but we're forming a top range right here, so that's why I'm being a little patient. It just keeps like coming up, popping deck down, coming up, popping deck down, so that's why I'm being a little more patient with it. Overall trend is still up. We got a new 5-minute right here. Twain, small win, only one trade, like $67, nothing crazy. You're just moving so slow, so I got out at a small win. Yeah, right. If this is your first payout, man, it's gonna be awesome once it hits, man. But like I said, be calm, cool, patient, disciplined. Don't freak out. You know, just take it slow. Get those winning days and get the freaking payout. Just do what you've been doing, Ryder. Great job. 6, 7. Rory's been holding for 2 hours now. 2 hours is crazy. Gothway was in a trade for like, yeah, almost 2 hours, I think. Over an hour, he said. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you guys are, yeah, bullish incentive, but yeah, we're just forming a range right now, kind of. And we formed a range right here. And this was like a decent range, but then now it's forming a top consolidation choppy range up here. So that's where we're being a little more patient. Yeah, internet. I was like, damn, this shit is real. Once that payout hits your bank account, you're like, damn. You start refreshing it, making sure it's all real and shit. You're like, damn, this shit's fucking real. I was like, man, I bought more accounts right away, started copy trading. I was like, imagine I did this on 3 accounts, 5 accounts. That would have been like a 21 grand payout. At least, yeah. Yeah, we gotta fund our concerts this year with payouts. Hey, it's like, oh, if I get this payout, I'll go to the concert. Yeah. There's a Peso Pluma concert I'm going to this year. Chorus Rider, anytime, man. Luca, it's like a back and forth, honestly. I was profitable in 2024. 2025, I lost money. And 2026, we're here documenting the journey. So it's like up and down. That's what the thing with trading. Yeah, it's lunch hour, so we're going to expect some chop. And it's a Monday. But we did have a massive move. Massive move. Yeah, Roar. Yep. Yeah, M5. If it looks fishy, man. Honestly, M5, honestly, lock in that $400, man. That's a great first day. It'll give you nice momentum. You have extra... You have $400. Lock it in. Yeah, M5, honestly, call it a day, man. Because if you stay on the charts, trading this price action, you might get chopped up and then lose all the gains and some and go on tilt, right? So M5, just, honestly, bro, just lock it in. $400. Yeah, right. A lot of people have been trading silver lately. Freaking crazy day on Friday. We fell like 30%. Crazy. Yeah, internet. Yeah. Oh yeah, I've been there. Oh man, when my first Apex account payout hit, I think my first payout was like 10 grand, 5 accounts. I was like, shit. I was like, yeah. I got 20 accounts right after that. Started copy trading 20 accounts. I was like, dude, this could have been a 40 rack payout, you know? Yeah, once that is it Apex Trader funding, $10,000 wire incoming, I'm like, yeah. I was like, yeah. Now I got like a 40 grand payout with them, and then a 51, then a 30 ball. Those were good payouts. Georgina, yeah, overall trend is still bullish. We're still up. Especially since we're kind of forming a top range right here, but it's just a lot of chop right here for the past hour. I have no idea, Alicia. I have no idea. If someone can answer that for her in the chat. I only trade NQ. Nvidia looks like it's trying to push up. SPY is at the high of the day. ES. Rex, they didn't deny my payout, but I had a $50,000 payout locked in again. Literally done. I had cleared a buffer. I had the winning days. All I had to do was trade 2 more days, which is you could just flip, and it's a 50 grand payout. And like on like the 6th trading day, they put me on probation, and then I had to trade like another 10 trading days or something. and I had to make it to like a $5,600 profit balance. Yeah, they did me dirty on that, and they banned me from buying evals. So I was like, what the fuck? Oh man, I was kind of pissed, man. I had a 50 rack payout locked in. Crazy. Let's see, Roar. Let's see. Yeah, Rex, they did that to a lot of people. It was a test to go live. But in reality, they just want you to blow the evals and not trade with them. I don't know. Yeah. What's up, Mad Cal? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Yeah, but we'll see what wants to happen right here. It's just slow and choppy. Nice, Mad Cow. Going good. Just one winning play, $67. Yeah, you work at a auto shop, yeah, Mad Cow? We're gonna need a new fender on the Honda Fit, man. Yeah, Alicia, yeah, the 8 trading days, and 5 of them need to be profitable. Yeah. And all their rules. Nice, yeah, tire shop. Yeah, we need more tape. Far, yeah, that's what they did to me like in 2024, end of 2024. Yeah, Ollie. Yeah, we're just chopping around right now. That's why we're being patient. Not gonna try and I mean, we're just keep bouncing up. We're just forming a little range right here, just like a little top range. I mean, if we do take a trade, I mean, 20 points. I mean, they do add up 20-point trades, honestly. So small risk. Yeah, drift bumper style. Yeah, I need a new and improved duct tape for that. Maybe some Scotch tape. Yeah, Scotch tape. It's like when people ship a package in Scotch tape. I'm like, bro, come on. Come on, Scotch tape. Seriously, Scotch tape? Yeah, Madkel, that shit adds up. $60. Hey, that's a good job right there. But we just gotta get these in a freaking buffer, man. After we got that payout, guys, with these accounts, we were just playing ping pong, back and forth. But they're still alive and they're still doing okay, so I'm happy for that. But yeah, I want to get to the buffer, and then I'm like, hey, that's a $300 payout at the end of the day. I'm gonna freaking take that. $250 after the fees or something. I mean, Roar, maybe. I mean, the overall trend is still up, but right now it just keeps rejecting once it hits this top area. I mean, if you're Roar, if you're still up and you're like hesitant, I mean, this would be a nice exit. I mean, you're only 8 points away from that target, but you never know. Right on, Farrah. Right on. Thank you. All right, new 5-minute right here. Oh, I didn't even know that, internet. Yeah, I don't know shit about cars, if I'm being honest. I just know how to drive them. I want to get into cars. They look pretty cool. Hey, once we get like more payouts. Alright, it's tapping the high of the day right here. It looks like it's starting to break. Nice. But I just want to see if it actually wants to continue and break up and keep going higher, or it's just going to make a little new high wick and then come back down. So we're going to be a little cautious. Yeah, Ollie, I mean, we got news every day this week, so we should see some movement, hopefully, on these upcoming days. Matt, that's kind of like the reality, yeah, like, trading, like, definitely messes up your perspective on money. Yeah, we're like, oh, we gotta make a $2,000 today on these 5 accounts. We get like a nice 8-9 grand payout. But it's like, what about consistently? Like, if we're consistently pulling in like, yeah, $500 a day, $500,000 a day, I mean, that'd be fucking awesome. I mean, what? That's a top tier job right there, like a doctor's salary. Good job, Roar. Good job. Yeah, Roar. Yeah, just be cautious of a little pullback. We never know. Ollie. Yeah, that 26,000 is a big rejection area. Yeah, that is true. So we'll see how it wants to react. But we have closed above it, I think, last week and the week before, I think. This 26,000 area, guys, is a big level. I mean, if we catch more momentum, we can hit it. I mean, we're only 70 points away, and we're already pushed like 400 on the day. I mean, 400 or 500. M5, yeah. Low-key, I've been looking at Mercedes again. I really like that SUV. It's pretty sick. It looks pretty sick, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. When like that Alpine gray color with like red brake calipers and like all black tinted, I'm like, that looks fucking sick, actually. No, I do want to get a nice car eventually one day. If we get a fuck ton of payouts this year, maybe. Fuck it. Hey, from the Honda Fit to the Benz. Yeah, but yeah, for right now, I'm pretty content with the Honda Fit. It works. It looks so trashy and ghetto, and that's why we kind of make fun of it. Like, my family and I and friends, like, we always make fun of it and joke around, like, come on, Honda Fit, let's go. Like, when I'm on the freeway trying to hit, like, 60, 70, it's like, I'm like, come on, Fit, let's go. Come on, let's go. No, it's a cool car, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it right now. But, yeah, if we get a lot of payouts this year, hey, that might be a nice reward. Yeah. You never know. Guys, a lot can change in a year, let alone 6 months. A lot can change. Elysia, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm consistently bringing in 20 racks a day across 50 funded accounts. It's like, holy crap, you know how much money that is? Bro, some 20K, that'll probably take people like 3 months of work, full time, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. Yup, Ollie, yup. Thank you, Georgina. I appreciate your support. Yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. GT is nice, yeah. Yeah, if I kept watching it. I really wanted it in 2024, especially after I got those payouts. But I was like kind of being smart. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, yeah, guys, imagine getting from a Honda Fit from the beginning to the year to getting a G-Wagon. Yeah, hey, we got a Benz now. Hey, that'd be kind of a come up. Hey, after I buy the Benz, I'm like, make sure to buy my course. Link in description. Our Discord just made $3,000 today trading the NASDAQ market. Buy my course. Live Discord. Elite Bootcamp. Link in my bio. Nice, M5. Now, the M5 looks pretty sick. I like the cars. Like, I like a matte wrap, too. It looks kind of sick. Like, on like kind of like a sports car, like a matte wrap. Like a gray matte or like a black matte. With, like, tinted windows and, like, red brake calipers. It actually looks pretty fucking sick. Alright, this is a new hour candle. Not a whole lot of movement. Bull Jones, absolutely, yeah. 3 months can change a lot. Your life can change a lot in 3 months. A lot of people getting, like, massive months. Like, dude, people, like, in month of January got, like, over 100 grand in payouts with prop firms. Which is fucking crazy. 100 grand in a month is crazy. But there's big dogs out there doing it consistently, too. I'm like, damn. One day, guys, one day. That's where we're documenting these lives, too. It's like a journey, too. We're documenting the come up. Brian, if you have extra money and cash lying around and you want to take that risk, then yeah, maybe. Yeah, you can work on those in the meantime while that account is just sitting. If you really want to. It's up to you and your like bankroll and all that. Taiwan, who are you? Who are you? Which reseller were you? Taiwan? I miss you too, man. What's your username? Gabriel? Hey, a public transit to like a Honda Fit. You gotta do that come up journey, Gabriel. Yeah, from like a public transit to like your own car. That's a great come up right there. Hey, we went from riding the bus to not having a Honda Fit. Let's fucking go. Yeah, just ain't right. We had a freaking massive rip up, but now we're kind of just consolidating. Yeah, that's crazy. Pre-LCF 90. Yeah, those cars look pretty nice. Yeah, I kind of want to get into cars. They look cool. Hey, rushing to the gym in my Benz G-Wagon. Oh, man. Rushing. Young Taiwan. Nice, Taiwan. TSA. Luca, I'm not sure. TradeZella is pretty good, but yeah, it costs monthly. Maybe a prop firm you're with, like MyFundedFutures has a good trading journal. Some of the prop firms you're trading with has good journals. Ollie, yeah, I don't know. It's just a little risky. I just want to see. We got to do 5 minutes and 10 seconds, but yeah, right now we're just staying cash because of it's just consolidating right here. All right, new 5 minute right here. Yeah, guys, for my journaling, like my emotions, I just write in my notes, honestly. Yeah, I put the date and time. But like freaking like the actual numbers, you need like an actual journaling. It's nice to know your RR and your stats. It's nice to know all that stuff. Yeah, we're just slowly grinding up, honestly. Yeah. M5, that would be crazy. Well, I mean, they got the money to do that. Freaking Tradovate. Guys, the real winners are the freaking platforms. They're just collecting all the fees from the transactions. Like on a live market with like a Tradovate, yeah, you pay fees for entering the thing. Bro, you're just getting they're just bringing millions of dollars every day. Crazy. Nice, Luca. Yeah, see internet right there, Bushido. You could put out the Microsoft Outlook for your journaling if you want, which is nice. Nice, Sacred. Good luck, Ali. Good luck, man. Well, I mean, M5, yeah, they have the freaking money to do it. Yeah, they do. Tradovate prop. Hey, aren't we gonna see like updates with Tradovate this month? Didn't they say they're gonna add like a lockout feature or something? Like they're gonna add some updates? That would be crazy, M5. Copy trading 100 funded accounts. Yeah, internet. The TradeZella, I think I pay like, what, $30 a month for it? I mean, it's pretty nice to know these stats. But yeah, if you blow an account with the prop firm, yeah, it's gone. And it's only for that particular account. Like with TradeZella, I just get the 1 month thing, the one account, and then I just click out of it if I want to check another account. And you could just like do it like that. It's a little tedious, but I mean, you save a little money. Nice, internet. Yeah, hopefully we see some good updates with Tradovate. Damn, Sacred. Hey, we were just talking about Madcow and all that. We were just talking about like making that much money on the funded accounts. 2,800 times 5. Damn, that's like 11 grand after the fees. 11, 12 grand. Great job, Sacred. It's a great freaking Monday, man. Yeah, at least if they had like an actual real lockout. I know they have it on the actual live account. They literally have it. So if you hit one of your daily loss limits or one of your things on your application, your risk settings, if you hit one of them, it'll automatically close your positions and lock you out, and you literally can't trade until the next trading session, which is nice. That's literally why it's like, what's the point of having a daily loss limit if you're just gonna keep taking it off? There's no point of it. So I know they have that with real live accounts, but not with the prop firms. And it's most likely the prop firm saying not to put it. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Manual lockout would be nice. Yeah, we're just slowly grinding up, y'all. But it's just like very slowly choppy. Yeah, internet, yeah, you can literally do that. That's why I said it's like really bad. Because you can literally just take it off. And that's what I was doing. I was literally just taking it off. Great job, Sacred. That's awesome, man. Sacred, how many contracts are you trading to make that much? That's pretty damn good. Fuck. Damn, that's a great way to start the year, Sacred. Shit. Yeah, we're just like consolidating at this top area right here. I mean, it's so slow. Sacred, you should get a nice lunch, man. Nice lunch. Exactly, man. That's what I was doing too. I was like, I hit my daily loss limit, and then I would freaking take it off. Then I'm like having another loss. I'm like, what the fuck? You just look at yourself like, what the heck, man? What just happened? Great job, Sacred. Honestly, great job, man. That's pretty awesome, man. That's pretty impressive. 1 to 3 NQ on the 150k. Nice. Yeah, at least yeah, that's literally what. Yeah, that's the thing. Like you can literally just take it off, and you know, especially when you're losing on the day and you're like tilted and a little emotional. You know, you're just like, oh no, one more trade, and you immediately take it off. It literally takes 2 seconds, and you take it off, and you're right back to trading. So it's like, what's the point of having it if you're not gonna respect it? You gotta respect it. We gotta respect it, guys. We can't let these prop firms get to us. Nice, Sacred. Yeah, $1,300 daily loss limit. That's pretty good with the 150k. That's like 3.5 losing days or something. Yeah, 3.5. I mean, dude, you got like what? You say like 45 grand in payouts or something? I mean, you already got your money back and some. Yeah, that's a good meme. And then internet, he takes it off. He takes off his daily loss limit, and then at the end of the day, he's looking himself in the mirror, and it's like a clown. It's like a clown. He's like, bro, come on. What we were talking about this morning? We literally said not to do that. Top. Georgina, yeah, if you make 10 grand a day with TakeProfitTrader on a funded account, you immediately get moved to live. They like process you to doing that. But yeah, if you make 10k in a day. So if you want to stay in the sim funded stage, I would make less than 10k in a day. Ollie. Ollie, I don't know, man. It still looks a little bullish, man, if I'm being honest. It looks pretty bullish. I don't know. Yeah, it's like, what were we talking about? Yeah, Sacred. Yeah, they said no Pro Plus accounts at the moment. So, I mean, Sacred, you could keep milking the freaking those accounts, man. Honestly, like, keep milking them in the meantime. I mean, you're getting like what 15k days, dude. That shit. That's pretty fucking good, man. Alicia, yeah, I've had a few clown days too. I'm like, we're gonna follow our rules, be disciplined, then boom, it all goes downhill, and you're just like, what the heck just happened? You really look at yourself in the mirror like, what the heck just happened? All right, new 5-minute, 15-minute candle right here. Yeah, like, yeah. Yeah. You break your rules, put on the clown outfit for the day. It's like the SpongeBob meme when he's like, I don't need the water. And he's like, I don't need it. I don't need it. And you're just like, I won't take off my daily loss limit. I won't take it off. You just take it off. It's like, bro, come on. What were we talking about today, guys? Yeah. Look at the mirror of the clown. Oh my gosh. It's like, don't do it.
Order filled.
Or I'm going to take a long right here, a little bounce play. We just keep making little pullbacks and coming right back up. We're going to have a tighter stop because you do not want to hold it down to this area. Just looking for a bounce play back to the highs of the day, basically. Yeah, guys. I'm not going to take off my daily loss limit. Yeah, that's why, guys, that's why I like these live streams, too. I'm not going to freaking, like, put on the clown outfit for y'all. Shit, I don't want to do that. I ain't no clown. Fuck that. Fuck no, we ain't no clown. Oh, man. Yeah. Not the clown outfit. Hey, you have, like, the clown outfit in the corner just staring at you, and you're just, like, looking at it, and you're like, nah, I can't do it. I'm not going to do it. Oh, man. Yeah, literally. We break the clown outfit is ready to be put on right in the corner, just staring at you, and you're staring at your daily loss limit already hit, and you're just like looking back and forth. You're like, no, I can't do it. I'm not gonna do it today. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is what you get for breaking your rules. Oh, you don't play games, huh? You can play games in that clown outfit. That's funny. That's hilarious. Hey, you're at the gym and you just see a dude in a fucking clown outfit. You're like, oh yeah. He broke his rules today. Oh well. He took off his daily loss limit, guys. Damn it. He's doing like bicep curls in the clown outfit. Alright, coming back down here, not liking that. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Retrace up, go up.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. We had a very tight stop on that one because if it did break, which it's doing, we only lost, what, 6-7 points? Because it could come back down to here and looking for a bounce play up to the highs of the day. So, very tiny loss. We're break even on the day. Yeah, imagine you go to the Miami meetup, light, and then there's like, you can see like 20 clowns. Oh yeah, we broke our rules today. NFP Friday, yep. Roar, I'm trading 5 micros per account. I'm usually risking like 10 to 15 points per trade most of the time. Georgina, yeah, we might see a bounce off this bottom range area, and that's why I had a tighter stop. But yeah, right here, we could see another bounce maybe. But we gotta be careful of the pullback, yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Because you're not even thinking right. You're just like, you immediately hit your daily loss limit, you hear the ding from the freaking Tradovate, and then you immediately just click on application settings, hit daily loss limit off, and then you're back to trading. It's like literally 2 seconds. So quick. That's why, yeah, I really hope they had a lockout feature. So it literally forces you not to trade. Yeah, it's like, that's why you need a lockout. Because it's so easy to change. Like, yeah, you can't let the losses affect you. I mean, I was pretty okay with that trade, honestly. I mean, we had a very tight stop. If it broke out that range. See, like, if I had a 15-point stop, I would have got stopped out for an extra 8 points. That would have been bad. So if it broke out of this little top area, I want to get stopped out quick and not be in this drawdown. So, yeah, I think we managed our risk pretty well, like. Yeah, the emotions, it did take me a while to get used to, but I got pretty used to it. Or there's kind of an aggressive sell-off coming in right here. I want to see if there's actual bounce or actually wants to break and go lower. I wouldn't mind looking for sure if it still like presents itself, but at the meantime we still are bullish. I mean, we'll see. Yeah, we might see a retracement. I mean, we had a massive rip up. Like, what is that? Like 500 points? That's a huge rip up. And then we had like a massive rip up from Asia session. Look at this. Yeah, this 25,200 area. I mean, that's like 800 points. Almost 800, 800 points from last night. So we could see a big retracement. And this 26,000 area is a big rejection area. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see, guys. I mean, we're literally break even on the day. I mean, we're chilling. Absolutely, like, yeah. You have to be the best loser. You can't get upset at yourself over the losses and stuff and be annoyed and self-sabotage and do all that bad negative stuff. You can't do that in trading. You're not gonna make it. We might see maybe a push lower. That I would like to see that, catch some more momentum. Yeah, Ollie chopping up. Yeah. Yeah, I want to see if it breaks this. Yeah, this 25,000 right here, 900 level. See maybe a continuation lower. Just being cautious if it's just a bounce. Visual Dreamers, yeah, I heard the lockout feature is pretty nice on TopStepX. Smart to have. That's why I'm like, Tradovate should add that, honestly. Especially since they're big competition with TopStep. They definitely should add that. What up, FL? Thanks for tuning in, brother. How's it going, man? Kind of bouncing right here, yeah. That's what I was worried about, bounce. But we shall see. It might still do like another rip down. You think though, Georgina? Yeah, this 800 level, yeah. Back into the range. Damn, popping right back up here. I'm gonna get some water. I'll be right back. All right. We are back. BLS? No, I didn't see that. Yeah, I think didn't we have a shutdown on Friday? Rug pull? You think so, Ollie? Damn. I didn't even know about that.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a short here, kind of retesting this area. Look like kind of making lower levels down. Ideally, I want to see a break of this 900 level. But that was a bounce area we were watching out of. But, got a 12-point stop. Yeah, but we're break even on the day. 1 winner and 1 loss. We managed our risk pretty well on that last trade. Only 7-point stop loss. Nothing crazy. Getting a little movement now. Nice. Yeah, we are kind of in a range right here, but Brandon, you think this is a turtle soup? Yeah, retest this level, hopefully fall shorter. And if we break this 900 level, this 890, 897, 8908, this one, 895, can see a nice gap down to the downside right here. New 30-minute candle, 5-minute in 1 minute. We're up 7 points. Dun, 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 dun. All right, 30 seconds. Let's see a dump, NQ, dump it. Hey, we gotta play the Call of Duty music. Then NQ will start rallying. They'll start rallying then. Alright, 5 seconds. Alright, new 30-minute candle, 5-minute. See where it wants to go. We have seen a little volatility with this candle. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. But we'll see. Robert, I think that was last week. That short? Yeah, I think that trade was last week. But there are challenges, Robert. So, that would have been a lot better if they were funded accounts. That would have been awesome. Oh yeah, I'd be happy if it was funded. Especially on if I took that short on this freaking group, oh man, we eating good tonight. Shit. Think so, Georgina? Kind of just stalling right here. At our peak, we're only up 7 points. Yeah, Robert, it was like it was 10 micros per account on 5 accounts for the 50 micros. So it's copy traded. It's like this, what we're doing. We got 5 micros per account, Robert. Brian, I want to see how it reacts up here, but I don't usually set up a hard TP in my trading. I usually just do it like off price action and levels. I want to see how it reacts to this this level right here, this 900, 898 area. And if we break that, that'll be another nice gap down to the downside. That's what we're looking for a reversal. But all our trades today have been kind of stalling. This is our third trade. We've just been stalling around the entry, which is not good. It's been like slowly chopped. You just want to see a nice clean movement and momentum. Robert, don't copy my trades. This live stream's for entertainment purposes only. I'm just doing this, just to like document the journey, not a signal service. Trade at your own risk. I lose all the time. I win all the time. It happens. It's trading. 21 EMA. Yeah, I haven't traded the EMAs in a while. Exponential moving average. Thank you, Jasmine. But yeah, guys, we're just playing. We're just stalling a lot on these trades today. So, I mean, hopefully we see some better movement. Like, yeah, there's like a couple guys that were in a long for like 2 hours. They said in the chat. That's crazy. 2 hours in a long. Yeah, at our peak, we're only up like 5-7 points. We need another push down like now. And if we tap up to here, that's a nice move. Nice, Robert. Yeah, a lot of people trade with EMAs. I used to do that. The 9 and 20. They're a TakeProfitTrader. These are 5 funded accounts. 50Ks. Yeah, guys, don't copy my trades. I lose all the time. I win all the time. It's trading. It's for entertainment purposes only. This is not a signal service. This is not. Nice, Robert. That's a good win rate. Do you have a good RR? Yeah, and 5, it's not your fault, man. Honestly, people are gonna do what they're gonna do. There's nothing you can do. You could just warn them not to do it, and that's up to them. Yeah. Alright, new 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Robert, nice. Personal account. Ninja Trader. There you go, man. Good job, Robert. Alright, new 5 minute right here. See where it wants to close. Not a good close. Not a good close. Want to see a rejection like right now. Coming up here, want to see a rejection like now. Did not like seeing this come up. No. Go back down. NQ, drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it. Yeah, we took a nice payout on these you. Well, we've literally been playing ping pong with these accounts. They're still alive, which is great. But yeah, after that payout, we literally just been going back and forth, win loss, win loss. It's better than blowing the account, honestly. So, knock on wood. Hopefully, we keep them alive and going. I just want to get to the buffer and then just keep trading the micros and just keep taking daily payouts. That's really what I want. A lot easier said than done, but you never know. Nice, Robert. I mean, Robert, if you're profitable and you're doing good, keep it up. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Bull Jones, you caught me, man. You got me. I was actually making $1 million per day using the moon title strat. Oh man, that's my favorite strategy, guys. The moon title strat. Best strategy in the game. Alright, that's good that we're coming back down here. I want to see a reject. Yeah, M5, you're not learning anything. Yeah, you might have wins, few in there, but in the long run, you can't just rely on that one person. You gotta learn it yourself, and that's how you grow as a trader. All right, nice. Want to see a dump here? Dump it, NQ, dump it. Well, video's kind of coming down, but it's just stalling so much. Okay. Robert, that's a big ass personal account, man. Good job. Damn, that's a big ass live account. And you're trading micros. That's discipline, man. That's real discipline. Okay, we're getting a little movement, but still hesitation. Like, at our peak, we're only at 5 points on this trade. Like, 7 points. Not a whole lot. Yeah.
Order filled.
Guys, we're $5 on a day, guys. It was just stalling way too much. At our peak, we're only up 5-7 points. Then it came up, almost stopped us out. That would have been a big swing, and then we got out at break even. Guys, we're up $5 on the day. 5 accounts. Dude, $25? Not bad, guys. 25 bucks. Oh yeah, we gotta use the moon title with the moon turtle strat, guys. Yeah. Oh man. Absolutely, yeah. $5 profit is better than a loss. I mean, if we got stopped out, we would have been down like 140, 150 on the day. So that's a big swing, you know. $5 profit, I'll take it. Yeah, survival is part of the game, guys. All right, new 5-minute right here. We're just playing this slow ping pong stuff going on. Robert, yeah, that's very true. Yeah, that's very true. We'd rather get Taco Bell, $25, than be starving hungry down on the day. You know, we got ourselves a lunch. Guys, $5 per account? That's $25. Come on, guys. Lock in. Lock in. This is gains right here. We're making progress. Super, no, you cannot do bracket orders on Tradovate when you're copy trading. You can only do like buy and sell orders when you're copy trading. Yeah, guys. Who needs a 9 to 5 when you can make $5 a day trading? Like, honestly. Oh, man. Hey, $5 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Yeah, I like that. Hey, 150K account a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Yeah, Randy, if you're copy trading from one account, like as your leader, yeah, I think you can do brackets. Yeah, if you're using Tradesyncer. Well, good thing we got out that trade, guys. So we would have probably got stopped out pretty soon right here. So I'm glad we got out break even. There was just too much hesitation, honestly. Way too much hesitation. What up, 44444? What up, man? How you doing? Miss Trader, yeah, you can use Ninja Trader, but I don't know. I like Tradovate. I just like it. Yeah, Jones. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yeah. Who needs a well-established salary when you can make $5 a day and be free? $5 a day? You just live out in the boonies? Out in the woods? Hey, guys, imagine you're, like, trading out in the woods with, like, a freaking, a Starlink. A Starlink. You got, like, a little laptop, a little Mac. You're just trading by the river, fishing, living off the land. $5 a day. Oh, deals, yeah. Oh, yeah. I love the solar system strat. If you don't, oh, the solar, I gotta refine that, deals. Yeah, you're right. Solar system combined with the moon title correlating with the turtle soup. Oh man, it's over. Well, good thing we got out that trade, guys. We would have got stopped out, and that's a $150 swing. So I'd much rather be up $5 on the day than down $150. That sounds, yeah. You know what's funny? This is like they're like talking about gamblers. A lot of gamblers would rather lose a lot of money in the day rather than be up a little bit. Like, they're not happy with the little dollar amount, and they keep on playing and keep going, and then they end up losing all the gains and more. They'd rather lose a lot than make a little bit, which is crazy. It's kind of true, unfortunately. Yeah, we got some other accounts going. Other props. I just got those Bolt accounts this morning, so I'll probably trade them. I don't know when I'll trade them. Lucid, Tradeify, good firms. MyFundedFutures. Yeah, at least, yeah, we would have been starving out in the cold with a blanket. We probably actually wouldn't have a blanket. We would have to sell our blanket. We'd be out in the cold, shivering, no food. But because we got out of that small win, we got Taco Bell for lunch today. Let's go! Yeah, it's the dream, man. Top Step, I could trade with them, yeah, but I don't have any accounts with them at the moment. Miss Trader, that's a good question. I feel like it's a trick question. I don't know. I'm happy with anything. If I'm profit, I'm profit. Guys, we're up $5. Are we really complaining here, guys? $5? $4, yeah. Yeah, there was days where I was up like $1,000 and I wasn't happy with it and I wanted to get to $2,000. And I'm freaking losing all of it. I think freaking going on till, like, why didn't I just stop? For no reason. Like, that would be quite a damn challenge, honestly. That would be quite a challenge. Alright, I'm documenting the journey from literally nothing. So you gotta get a job or flip stuff or something, get money. Hey, you go to the freaking library to trade. You're trading at the public library on the public computer. Alright guys, we got a TakeProfitTrader 25k account. Trying to get our first payout. That would be so freaking stressful, like. That would be so stressful. Yeah. Well, it would be quite a challenge if you completed it. Imagine going from literally nothing to like 100 grand in payouts. Oh man, you'd feel on top of the world. Yeah, you're strictly living off prop firms. You gotta get your food, shelter, car, whatever, public transportation, anything. Luca, take it slow, man. Take it slow. Yeah, it sucks, man, but... And you're still alive. You're still doing well. Keep it going. One day at a time. Improve on it. Maybe find like a side hustle or something. Get a little extra income coming in, Luca. Yeah, Alicia. Yeah. I realized that too. There's numerous times where I was up like $1,000, $2,000, and I kept trading for no reason. I could have literally just stopped and walked away, done on the day, but nope. Greed got the best of me. Yeah, I'm staring at the clown suit right here in the corner. I do not want to put it on, guys. I really do not want to put that on. We got to put that meme out now. Do not be a clown. M5, dude, we're up $5, man. We're up $5 freaking dollars. Let's go. Alright, it's coming back to the highs here. I want to see if it breaks a new high and continuation up. Or it's just going to reject here again and just fall back down. Hey, $5, guys. Like I said, $5 is $5. Huh. Alright, let's see where it wants to go. Interwebs? Oh! Wait. Guys. You guys see this? See you, Gabriel. Appreciate you, brother. Hey, you guys see this? This is you. Right here. You just hit... Imagine this. You just hit your daily loss limit. $500. You hit your freaking daily loss limit right now of $500. Do you really want to take off the daily loss limit? Do you really want to take off the daily loss limit? Have a bigger loss in the day, and then look at yourself in the mirror later that day looking like this? Absolutely not. This is you right now. You followed your rules. You hit your daily loss limit. You're done. Oh, are you going to take it off? This is what you're going to look like, guys. We don't do that stuff anymore. No. We're not going to do that anymore. If we hit our daily loss limit, we got to respect it and move on. It's not our day. And in the end, it will save you in the long run. Yeah, you might have a day that could save you and get you to break even and all that. But in the long run, it will burn you. So it's best just not to do it. Because you're just promoting bad trading behavior. Hey, happy early birthday, Alicia. Jove. Hey, You're like, hey, I don't roll that way, but $5 is $5. uh, yeah, like, hey, you have like a sign that says, trying to pass my first evaluation. Need money for the prop firm account. That'd be crazy. Dude, if I saw that on the street and he was actually like a dead ass trying to be a trader, I'd be like, fuck, here's $20, man. Take it. Fuck. Yeah, Dills, I think we should print that and download it and tape it on the bottom of my computer right here. So we know, guys, we look normal, but hey, we followed our rules. We didn't take off our daily loss limit. That's a win, guys. If you didn't take off your daily loss limit and you followed your rules, that's a win. You won the day. But if you take off your daily loss limit and now you have a bigger, deeper hole, you're running out of time, even if you take off your daily loss limit and you get to break even a win, it's still a loss. Think about it. Yeah. Yeah, just ain't right. We had a massive rip up and we had momentum. Well, then now it just consolidated. Like a really bad consolidation. Like this is like very slow chop. Jones, I haven't been really watching gold, honestly. Yeah, like I need money for my Top Step 50K evaluation. Shit, actually, if I saw that literally on the side of the road, like dead ass a sign that says, I'll buy my account, fuck it. I'll give him like a TakeProfitTrader account or something. Or something. Give him one 50K account. Right. Run it up, brother. Run it up. Yeah, gold and silver had a ton of volatility on Friday, so they might be like slowly choppy today. Yeah. Yeah. If I actually saw that, he had a fucking sign that's saying, I'm trying to become a trader with a prop firm or something. Shit, here. Hey, here's a discount. 100% off discount code, brother. Yeah, Dubs in the chat. Yeah. Hey, run it up, man. Hey, when you make it, just shout me out. That's all I ask. Shout me out when you make it. Hey, shout out Casinator, man. He got me out the slumps. Fuck. Yeah, like, I mean, if you had, like, that'd be pretty sick, Jones, yeah. I mean, damn, 10 racks? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if you were, like, very strict and had a budget and were, like, very frugal and took it very serious, yeah, like, I mean, it could definitely help you, actually. Yeah, guys, I didn't realize it too. $1 million is just 1,000,000 $1 bills. Think about it. Every dollar counts. You want to be a millionaire? Every dollar counts, y'all. Every dollar counts. Absolutely, Light. Yep. That's what I'm proud of, that my losing days have improved quite a bit. Like, I'm not going on, like, batshit tilt and, like, going crazy. Over leveraging, over trading. Trying to get a payout today. Let me rip 2 freaking minis right now. Try to get a payout. It's like, for what? For what? You're just gonna blow it real quick. Like, yeah, imagine you're homeless and then you get your very first payout with a prop firm. Man, that must be like a quite a feeling. Hey, that money hits, you're just like, yeah. Hey, he starts trading like 50 funded accounts and he becomes like a world-class trader. He's like, yeah. He's like, that brought me out the slums. He's like, that was a good time in my life. It taught me how to become a very disciplined trader. Yeah. Yeah, if I was homeless, shit. Not going, thank God I'm not. But yeah, you got that first payout, bro. Fuck yeah, I would cry too. Honestly, all that hard work too, the grind. I mean, getting your guys. If you haven't got your first payout, it's very hard. But man, once you do it, you're like, damn, I did it. It's like when you bench 225 for the first time. If you guys ever bench 225, it's so freaking hard to get there. But once you hit 225, you're like, wow, I just did that. Dude, I remember the first time I hit 225, dude. I was jumping up. I hugged my brother and shit. I was like, let's fucking go. I was so hyped. Because I tried it numerous times and I would fail. I'd get it like halfway and then it'll just come back down. But when I finally hit it, I was like, man, that felt good. Right when you feel it like go right out that bottom part, I was like, and I racked it. I was like, it was like my first payout feeling. I felt like on top of the world. I was like, damn, I feel like the strongest dude in the gym. But the dude next to me is repping 315. But I'm like, I didn't give a shit. I was so hyped. I was like, fuck yeah, let's go. Yeah, we got a new 4 hour and 3 minutes. Damn, I was expecting this stream to be pretty good because we had some big moves. Like, these were decent moves today. Massive rip up, but then we just kind of dog crapped right here for the 2 hours on the stream. You get rich in the mind before you do in real life, man. Honestly, your mindset is everything. If you have this good mindset now, it's just a matter of time, honestly. You get rich in your mind before you're ever making it. So that's great, Light. Great job, man. Alright, guys. I'll probably call it a stream at like 11 o'clock in like 4 minutes. We took one trade, like $67, 7 points. Then we had a stop loss of 7 points, so we lost to $70, so we're break even. And then our last trade, we were just playing mumbo jumbo, and we got out at $5 profit. That's better than a win. We almost got stopped out too, so that would have been like a $150 swing. So the fact that we're up $5 in the day, it's better than a loss, especially since it's slowly and choppy. And we have news every day this week, so hopefully we have better movement. We had great movement this morning. Great movement, but yeah, it's just been consolidating now. So yeah, very interesting. Yeah, Light, it's all about the journey, man. You gotta join every part of the journey, man. Sorry to hear that, Andreas. Yeah, a lot of countries are strict on that with the propfirms and all that. Crazy. Thank you, Brian. See you tomorrow, brother. Thank you, as always. Yeah, I'll see where this new hour and 4 hour candle closes for y'all. Yes, sir, Brian. Keep stacking, man. Get those accounts funded. Keep it rolling, man. Alright, we've got 30 seconds. Yes, sir, Light. Yeah, there's no reason to force a trade on this, honestly. Like, our trades today literally had no movement. Like, we just kept stalling at our entry, like up 5 points, down 5 points, up 5, up, down. It's like, it's really not good movement, honestly. It's just very slow and choppy. So glad you guys are like learning from that. Thank you, Georgina. Yeah, I think we managed our risk pretty well, honestly. I mean, we got off that first trade. It was just too slow, choppy. Then we had a very tight stop on the second trade. And good thing we got out because, I mean, I did not want to hold for a 20-point stop. So we managed our risk pretty well on that one. And then that last trade was just... it was just nothing. It was just like back and forth. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Yeah, like I said, not a whole lot of movement. We're up $5 on the day. Nothing crazy. We got some lunch money to work with. We got some lunch money, guys. $25. So, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. PST. And, yeah, so peace out.